I want to show y'all something simple, cheap, tasty, and it's good for you too. I call it my poor man beef and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of ground beef. We're going to toss in 1 bag of mixed vegetables, 12-ounce bag. Then we're going to throw in 1 diced yellow onion. A lot of good veggies in here for flavor. 2 cloves of garlic minced up. 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Once you got your sauce in there, we're going to throw in 1 tablespoon worth of Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and spread that around for a second. Once you've stirred it around a little bit, let's go ahead and throw our seasonings on there. I'm going to throw about a teaspoon worth of garlic powder. I'm going to do a little bit more because I like garlicky flavor in my food. About a teaspoon worth of salt, maybe a little more depending on what you like. Some black pepper, also a teaspoon worth. And Italian seasoning. You can do about a teaspoon worth of that as well. All right, once you got all your seasonings in there, we're going to put 1 cup of beef broth. Once you got your broth in there, go ahead and stir that pretty well together. Once you've stirred that well together, go ahead and put your lid on. We're going to cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. All right, after it's been cooking about 2 to 3 hours, it should look a little something like this. Go ahead and give it a final stir. And finally, we are going to throw in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. And with the egg noodles, we're also going to toss in 2 tablespoons of butter to give it a little buttered noodle flavor in there. And go ahead and fold that all together till the butter's melted and the noodles are mixed in. All right, once you got all that mixed together, this baby is ready to go. So let's dig in, folks. Yummy and healthy. Let's do this. That's good, y'all. And it's good for you. It's cheap. It's pretty much everything you want in a recipe. Try this at home, folks. Trust me.